Welcome back to Math is My Jam. I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the lesson today. Our lesson for today is going to be on two-digit multiplication, so just hang on tight and let's jam right into it. Now, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to multiply our ones column. So we're not going to worry about this 3 that's on the bottom. We're simply going to focus on multiplying the 6 by both digits that are on the top, and then we'll worry about the 3 that's on the bottom. So let's just jump right into it. 6 times 4 is 24. I'm going to put my 4 down at the bottom, but I'm going to carry my 2. Okay, now that I have 6 times 4 and I have 24, I'm going to do the same thing to the 3. I'm going to do 6 times 3. 6 times 3 equals 18. 18 plus 2 equals 20. Okay, so when I multiply, whatever I carried up top, I'm going to add that now to my product. So 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. And with that, I'm through with the 6. I want to mark out my 2 so that it doesn't confuse me. And now I'm ready to go ahead and start my next row. I'm ready to begin multiplying this 3 times 4. However, because I'm already done with the 6, I want to mark it out. Now I have a placeholder and I marked out the 6 so it doesn't confuse me as I begin to multiply my tens digit, which is the 3. So I'm going to go 3 times 4 equals 12. So I put my 2 down at the bottom and then I carry my 1. 3 times 3 equals 9, but I regroup from the last product that I have, so I'm going to also add the 1. So I'm going to go 3 times 3 plus 1, which is 10. Once I've multiplied the ones column plus I've multiplied the tens column, now I'm ready to go ahead and find the sum of the two columns. And so here I have 4 plus 0 equals 4, 0 plus 2 equals 2, 2 plus 0 equals 2, 0 plus 1 equals 1. My answer is 1,224. For our next problem, we're going to do 63 times 42. You guys go ahead and pause the video and make sure you can do it on your own, and let's check our answers together. Again, the first thing I'm going to do is 2 times 3. 2 times 3 equals 6, and I place my 6 down here at the bottom. One thing, guys, make sure you line up your digits vertically. And then I'm going to do 2 times 6. 2 times 6 equals 12. Because there's no other place for me to regroup the 1, there's no other value, my 1 goes down here as well. So that's why I put the entire number 12 down here on this row. Now I'm ready to start my next row of multiplication, which is the tens digit. But I need to go ahead and mark out my 2 so that I know that I'm done with it. And when I mark out the 2, I also put a placeholder below the 6. So this time we're going to multiply 4 times 3. We're going to multiply across. 4 times 3 equals 12. I place my 2 down at the bottom and I carry my 1. Okay? 4 times 6 is 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. And now all we have to do is go ahead and find the sum. 6 plus 0 is 6. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 5 is 6. 0 plus 2 is 2. Our answer is 2,646. Good job. And for our final problem, guys, we're going to multiply 92 times 67. Again, please pause the video. Go ahead and try it on your own. 7 times 2 is 14. I place my 4. I carry the 1. 7 times 9 is 63. 63 plus 1 is 64. And if you notice, my numbers are lined up vertically so that I don't make any mistakes when it comes to finding the sum of my two rows. Now I'm ready to move on to multiplying my tens digit. So I'm going to put a placeholder, and I'm also going to mark out my 7 because I'm done with it. 6 times 2 equals 12. I'm going to put my 2 at the bottom and carry my 1. 6 times 9 equals 54. 54 plus 1 equals 55. And now I'm ready to find the sum. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. And if you notice, I put my 1 here, but I did have to carry the other 1 for 11. And now I have 1 plus 5 equals 6. Now my answer is 6,164. So if you got that, guys, you're doing really good at home. Okay, so that's it for our video on multiplying two-digit multiplication. Leave me a comment. If you want to see some more examples, just let me know in the comments. Make sure you hit like, make sure you hit subscribe, and don't forget, let's make math our jam.